Alright, Slurpee tier list. Baja Blast. I tried the drink before, but I did not actually try the Slurpee, so it's getting. I actually kind of liked it as the drink, so I'm putting it A.
That's ridiculous. That's just chocolate. There's no candy.
Crushed cream soda. I never tried it, but I also think it's pretty good as a drink. B. I never tried this, so it's getting D. Iced tea is pretty banger drink during the summer. As a Slurpee, never tried, but I think it's gonna be a banger. So yes. Blue big fan of blue raspberry. Now banana, probably B. 7-Up. Actually, never expected 7-Up being turned into a Slurpee. I'm putting it at just there. Lime. It's just a basic flavor, but I feel like it's gonna be good. So A. Mountain Dew Freeze. Premium version of 7-Up. So top of B. Dr. Pepper. Yeah, I tried Dr. Pepper. It's pretty good, so. Yeah. But never as the slushy. Powerade, never tried, but tried it before. Pretty awesome. Well, not really. Cherry Coke. I never tried this, but just behind me. Peach Fuzz Slurpee. I actually think this is pretty good, so just in the middle. Pepsi and Coke are the same, but so I'm putting it right in front of Coke. Grape. I hear grape is a controversial flavor, so I'm putting it C. Now crush orange. This is actually a banger. Right in front of Peach Fuzz. Wild cherry. Feels like it's gonna be the same as Cherry Coke. Sour green apple. Here behind lime. Dr. Pepper cherry would be. Okay, 3 types of cherries in 1 tier. Congratulations. Strawberry melon brisk. Brisk is a banger iced tea. Not gonna lie, so I'm gonna put it right in front of cream soda, of course. Cotton candy is a pretty mid flavor, to be honest. Who would love coffee and a slushy mixed into one? Instant D tier. Ghostbusters green. No, let's just call it Ghost Goo. Yeah. This would actually be good. Right behind 2 crushes. Now crush blue. I don't know if this is blue raspberry. I don't know what flavor that. Oh, bubblegum. Right. Root beer. Big fan of root beer. Yes. Chili mango. Never tried it. Sprite. Heard Sprite is awesome. So B. Now for our final one, we have Fanta strawberry. There's a kiwi. Yeah, kiwi strawberry. Never tried it before, but I think it's gonna be good. And here's a final tier list. Wait, how much are there? Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Ice skating and ice cream. And my BFF is Bella. I have it memorized. Yeah.
Oh wait.
Our next original suite is
Like 28. In 28 we have coffee. Yeah, 27 we have chili mango. In 26 we have mango and pineapple. I can't read that. 20. Wait,
Every single thing. Lindt is
25.
known for
We
their
have Crush
fancy
Cream.
Swiss chef.
24. Powerade.
Look at the difference between
23.
the chef.
Sprite.
This guy's not a chef.
22. Fanta.
That's a model.
21. Oh, cotton candy. I really need to burp. I can. 20. 20. Dr. Pepper. 19. Cherry Coke.
Kinder Bueno.
It's the same company that does Nutella.
18. Wildberry Fanta.
Nutella wafer bar. It's amazing.
17. Pepsi.
Look at how beautiful.
16.
They're not
7
paying me to
Up.
say this. I just love it.
15. Banana Fanta.
Algeria decided to make
What?
happy
14.
chocolate. They use white chocolate.
Peach Fuzz Slurpee.
That's a
No,
sorry
wait.
imitation. It's fine. I don't
Ghost
like
Goo
chocolate. If you
in
like
number
white chocolate, you
13.
love that,
You can't beat it.
Original.
No,
Well, this is not
girls have
original.
chocolate.
But Orange Crush.
Girls got
12.
crispy chocolate wafers that are dipped in a mint chocolatey
11 is bubblegum Slurpee. Crush bubblegum. 11. 11.
steam room for your mouth.
These are thin mints. These
Wait.
are thick mints.
11.
I think this company got a little
10,
confused
9,
as well, what
8,
they were
7,
knocking
6,
off, 'cause
5,
they
4,
copied
3,
the
2,
names of
1.
Girl Scout cookies, but they made peppermint patties.
Yeah. Oh my God.
10.
That looks high quality.
10 we have Crush Cream Soda.
This is like perfect.
9 we have Brisk Strawberry Watermelon.
I'd put it in the chimney too, if you will.
8 we have Mountain Dew Freeze. 7 Mug Root Beer.
Twizzler. Get
6 Dr. Pepper.
my favorite.
5 Sour Green
I don't
Apple.
know about you, but I almost like
4
to dry age my Twizzlers.
Lime.
When you buy Twizzlers, you should open the bag,
3
put it in the cupboard
wait,
for
top
like 2-3
3.
days, then you can
And 3 we have Ball Blast. Fanta. Blue Raspberry number 2.
the Korean knockoff
In our
of Twizzlers.
top 1
We were only able to get a
flavor
watermelon
of
flavor
Slurpee
with a sweet and sour
is
jelly.
iced
There's a
tea.
copycat. It's not overly crazy.
We have white text
Oh wait,
with blue
oh wait, I didn't read it.
saying
It's also
if they wanted to say
blueberries.
they have
Actually, never read that.
ground. Ooh, that smells like watermelon candy.
And
And you
it's
can see it's sure
that's
not just
Teals.
jelly. There's a good amount of jelly.
Alright, thanks for watching. Come like, subscribe,
I'm not a big watermelon
and
fan. I don't like the way white tastes watermelon tastes.
if the video gets 50 likes, I'll do a part 3 of tier lists.
More meat.